If you're talking about an adult reader, it depends whether you're interested in fiction or non-fiction. If you're really interested in non-fiction and you're a beginner reader, I would suggest graphic narratives, because these days you have a lot of graphic narratives which talk about, which engage with history, which engage with, let's say, social issues right now in the world. So you have narratives like Shaheen Bagh by Ita Mehrotra, which is a very short graphic novel on the Shaheen Bagh incident, right before pre-pandemic. You have war narratives which are graphic in nature, right? You have Holocaust narratives which are graphic in nature. One of the earliest ones you could think about is Moss Art Spiegelman's. There's quite a bit. In fact, recently you have another interesting graphic narrative that's come up on the Syrian crisis, right? And about the future, it is called. It's by Riyad Sattouf. And he's also a brilliant graphic narrator. A lot of these narratives which come from different parts of the world, right, which is in graphic form, maybe that could be a starting point if they are interested in visuals and narratives together. But in terms of provoking your interest in reading, I think maybe the urge should come from within you. It could be different engagements, right? For me, after a certain point, it was not just about entertainment. It was about, knowing, right? So I would read anything from philosophy to theory to history to non-fiction. But interestingly, if you really look at the collection that I have very little fiction. I have a lot more non-fiction than fiction.